What's up, y'all? It's been a long day, so I'm making breakfast for dinner. Because, you know, it just be like that sometimes. I got my coconut oil because I'm about to oil up the pan for the eggs. I got my tofu with pineapple and teriyaki sauce that was made earlier that I'm just heating up. So let's get some coconut oil in this egg pan. Get the eggs going. That should do. Just enough for the pan not to be sticky. I don't like to soak the egg in oil, but I don't want it to be sticky, and I like to use cast iron, and those can be sticky with eggs. And you already know, if you've seen some of my previous videos, I got a whole bunch of stick. I'm like, getting the spatula in there, just scrape it all. And I use wood spatulas mostly. An angle isn't that friendly for egg flippage, so move the oil a little bit. Let me stir this tofu, pineapple. One blue, one brown. Ooh, just a little sizzle. Not too hot, but hot enough. We don't want no cold eggs. Okay, so I'm gonna, good catch. So I'm gonna get some salt and pepper for these eggs. Fresh cracked pepper, I'm telling you, is an absolute game changer for any meal. Any meal that you add pepper, if you're using pepper that's already cracked, I'm telling you, it is a life changer to use fresh cracked pepper. It's like, if you're a coffee drinker, it would be like getting grounds from the store that are beans that are already ground and taking them home and using them in a month, 2 months, 3 months. The zest in the ground is the most fresh right after it's ground. So if you're a coffee drinker, you know what I'm saying. That's the same way I look at pepper. It's the most fresh and most vibrant right when it's cracked. If you put it in a jar, leave it on the shelf for months, it just loses its amazingness. Okay, so while it's on that story, the eggs are getting ready for flippage. I like an over medium, in between over medium and over easy. But they're not quite ready to flip. They're almost ready to flip. I think I'm going to make some egg tacos. So, tortilla is going to be needed. Move the tofu in the back. Tortilla on the burner because I'm like that. I just love how the charredness on the tortilla is like a little burnt. I love a little burnt. A little burnt on my food is a-okay with me. Tofu is officially warmed up. Tofu, pineapple, fried egg, almost ready for a flip. Tortilla on the fire doing its thing. This is a simple breakfast for dinner using leftovers, a fried egg and tortilla. Easy peasy. Woo! That is a hot flame. You can use tongs if you don't want to burn your finger. But it's part of the experience. Okay, when there's 2 eggs, sometimes I break it down the middle, break it in half, just so I have more of a chance of not breaking any yolk. Egg flip 1, egg flip 2, and there you have it, folks. Eggs are successfully flipped with no broken yolk. Tortilla is almost ready, Freddy. I'm gonna first plate the tofu and pineapple. Second, the first egg I flip gets to go on the plate first. Second egg I flip goes on second. Turn that off. Tortilla, you can go off. A little bit of char in there, perfect. And there we have it. Amazing. A little bit of leftovers, fried egg tortilla. Makes a great meal. Topped off with some pistachio and nut milk. We're ready.